Deconstructing old fences presents a unique opportunity to transform weathered wood into striking modern art and planters, illustrating the power of reclaiming and upcycling discarded materials into sophisticated home decor. This process not only showcases the beauty inherent in aged timber, but also emphasizes sustainable woodworking practices, encouraging a paradigm shift toward creative reuse and environmental responsibility. As consumers become increasingly conscious of their ecological footprints, projects that breathe new life into forgotten materials resonate deeply, demonstrating that sustainability and artistry can harmoniously coexist. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will explore the ideas of from old fences to modern art designing projects by turning weathered wood into stunning decor planters. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The journey begins with the careful deconstruction of old fences, which often stand as relics of time, bearing witness to seasons past. Old wooden fences are typically made from durable species like cedar or redwood, materials that tend to weather gracefully over time. The first step in this process involves dismantling the fence with care. Tools such as pry bars, hammers, and saws come into play, allowing artisans to extract the wood without causing significant damage. This initial stage is crucial, as it preserves the character and integrity of the wood, ensuring that each piece can be repurposed effectively. The textures, colors, and imperfections found in weathered wood add immense aesthetic value. Each scratch, knot, and faded area tells a story, contributing to the unique charm of the final creations. Once the wood has been salvaged, it's time to consider how best to transform these pieces into functional art. The creative process begins with envisioning the potential of the reclaimed timber. The rustic appearance of weathered wood lends itself beautifully to modern design, and artisans can draw inspiration from various sources: nature, contemporary architecture, or even abstract art forms. By focusing on creating planters and decorative pieces, crafters can marry beauty with function, ensuring that each item serves a purpose while retaining artistic flair. Planters can be designed in diverse shapes and sizes, ranging from geometric forms that feature clean lines to organic shapes that mirror natural elements. Constructing planters from old fence wood also involves various woodworking techniques that can elevate the quality and aesthetic of the pieces. For instance, combining different lengths and widths of the wood can lead to visually interesting designs that emphasize abstraction and contrast. Incorporating joinery techniques such as dovetail or lap joints adds structural integrity while maintaining a commitment to beauty, ensuring that each planter is not only a pleasing art piece, but also durable for outdoor use. Treating the wood with natural oils or eco-friendly finishes can further enhance its appearance, protecting it from the elements while highlighting its unique features. The goal is to celebrate the natural elements of the timber rather than conceal them, allowing the wood to shine in its role as both a work of art and a functional item. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. In addition to planters, weathered fence wood can be transformed into a range of other modern art pieces that serve as striking decor for homes and gardens. Wall hangings, sculptures, or even furniture can emerge from this creative endeavor, with each piece reflecting the artisan's vision. Wall art can feature layered wood arrangements that create depth and complexity, with different colors and textures amplifying the visual impact. These pieces can be designed as standalone works or as part of larger installations that enhance the ambience of a space. Sculptures can take on abstract forms that challenge perceptions while serving as conversation starters, further illustrating the versatility of reclaimed materials. The key is to explore different design concepts, embracing a holistic approach that merges artistry with functionality, while ensuring that the allure of aged timber remains at the forefront. Promoting the concept of sustainable woodworking is integral to this project, as it encourages others to consider the environmental implications of their choices. By reclaiming old fence wood, artisans actively participate in reducing waste and conserving resources, aligning their practices with a broader movement towards sustainability. This approach is particularly relevant in today's context, where the urgency for eco-friendly solutions has reached new heights. Each piece crafted from salvaged materials epitomizes a commitment to more responsible craftsmanship, inviting consumers to reflect on their purchasing decisions and consider the value of supporting sustainable artisans. Moreover, the opportunity to engage in community initiatives can amplify the impact of this project. Workshops that teach individuals how to deconstruct old fences and create art can foster a sense of connection and shared purpose. By sharing skills and knowledge, artisans encourage others to view discarded materials in new ways, potentially inspiring a grassroots movement toward more sustainable living and creative expression. Collaborating with local businesses or community organizations can further amplify efforts, as these partnerships provide platforms for sharing successes and encouraging eco-conscious practices on a larger scale. As artisans continue to explore the potential of weathered fence wood, it becomes evident that crafting modern art and planters is not merely about creating beautiful items. It is a profound celebration of creativity, sustainability, and the transformation of the ordinary into the extraordinary. The textures of aged timber, once relegated to the margins of waste, are now revered, fostering a new appreciation for the stories embedded within each piece. By emphasizing the artistry inherent in upcycling, this project not only provides a path towards personal fulfillment for the creators, but also opens a dialogue about the importance of mindful consumption and the potential of sustainable practices. In conclusion, the journey of transforming weathered fence wood into striking modern art and planters illustrates a compelling narrative of reclamation and creativity. By carefully deconstructing old fences and envisioning new possibilities for each piece of timber, artisans can craft unique, functional designs that resonate with consumers seeking to enhance their homes while minimizing their environmental impact. This project stands as a testament to the beauty of aged wood, celebrating its textures and stories while turning forgotten materials into contemporary art. Through sustainable woodworking practices, the potential of discarded items can be fully realized, inviting a deeper connection to nature and a more conscious approach to craftsmanship. Ultimately, the repurposing of old fence wood illuminates the significant role that creativity and sustainability play in shaping modern decor, transforming the remnants of the past into elegant expressions of art and functionality for the future. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning decor planters by turning weathered wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.